Hi everyone, this is Krishna Maths IIT faculty. Last class we discussed compound angles, sum and difference of sine, cos and tan. Now we have to take sum or difference of three angles. First we have to take sine of a plus b plus c is equal to sine here sigma sine a cos b cos c sigma sine a cos b cos c minus sine a sin b and sin c. Now we have to see this proof is correct or not. See here, sin LHS you have to take here left hand side, sin a plus b plus c. Here a plus b you have to take one term, this is c is another term. Now you can take this is x, this is y. Sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now you can write here sin a plus b sin a cos b cos c plus cos a plus b into sin c. Now again you have to apply here sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b into cos c plus here cos a plus b formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b into sin c. Now see here you can multiply the cos c, sin a cos b cos c plus cos a sin b cos c plus cos a cos b sin c minus sin a sin b sin c. Now see here you can write this is a summation notation, summation of sin a cos b cos c up to here minus sin a sin b into sin c. This is the formula of sin a plus b plus c is equal to summation of sin a cos b cos c minus sin a sin b sin c. Note down this one. Now we have to discuss cos a plus b plus c. Cos a plus b plus c is equal to cos a cos b cos a cos b cos c minus summation of sin a sin b cos c. This is correct or not, we have to check. See here, cos a plus b plus c is equal to cos a cos b cos c minus summation of sin a sin b cos c. See here, cos of LHS, cos of a plus b plus c. You can take here a plus b is one term. Now you can apply here cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b. Cos a cos b means cos a plus b into cos c minus sin a plus b into sin c. Now see here, you can again apply this is cos a plus b formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b into cos c minus, you can apply here sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b into sin c. C multiply with cos c, here cos a cos b cos c minus sin a sin b cos c minus into plus minus, here sin a cos b into sin c minus into plus minus cos a sin b into sin c. Now we can apply this is write this is summation form, cos a cos b cos c summation of sin a sin b into cos c. This is the formula of cos a plus b plus c is equal to cos a cos b cos c minus sin a sin b cos c. Next one is tan a plus b plus c. Tan a plus b plus c is equal to summation of tan a minus phi of tan a upon 1 minus summation of tan a into tan b. This is correct or not, we have to check here. First we can write here LHS, left hand side. Tan A plus B plus C is equal to, this is, you can take here A, this is B. Now tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus B into tan C. Now again you can write here tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A into tan B plus tan C whole by, here also 1 minus tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B into tan C. Now write one more step here, take LCM here, 1 minus tan A tan B, then tan A plus tan B plus tan C into 1, tan C minus tan A tan B into tan C minus tan A tan B into tan C whole by, here this denominator cancel both are. Now you can write here 1 into 1 minus tan A tan B, here tan A tan B minus, here this one is tan A into tan C minus tan A tan C minus into plus minus tan B into tan C. Now you can write here, rewrite tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to summation of tan A minus, this is the product of tan A tan B tan C is write as pi means here product of tan A whole by, here 1 minus this is minus of tan A plus tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C then minus of summation of tan A tan B, you can write here. This is the tan A plus B plus C is equal to the formula, tan A plus B plus C is equal to summation of tan A minus pi tan A by 1 minus summation of tan A tan B. Note down this one, we will discuss some problems. Okay, compound angles, part 2 problems. See here, first one is A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, then tan 2A plus tan 2B plus tan 2C. Here A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, this is given, and cross multiply 2A plus 2B plus 2C is equal to pi. Now you can write here any one term and that side, here 2A plus 2B is equal to pi minus 2C. Now you can apply either side, tan, now tan 2A plus 2B is equal to tan of pi minus 2C. Now this is applied tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, tan 2A into tan 2B is equal, this is a tan of 5 minus 2C is equal to tan of minus 2C. This is second quadrant, minus tan 2C. Now cross multiply tan 2A plus tan 2B is equal to 1 into minus tan 2C minus tan 2C, here minus into minus plus tan 2A into tan 2B into tan 2C. This tan 2C is at this side. Now tan 2A plus tan 2B plus tan 2C is equal to tan 2A into tan 2B into tan 2C. Now which option? This is second option, note down. Okay, next second problem. If tan pi by 4 plus theta plus tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 3, then tan square pi by 4 plus theta plus tan square pi by 4 minus theta. Let tan pi by 4 plus theta is equal to, you can write here A, this is B, A plus B is equal to 3. Then here you can find here A square plus B square is equal to, A square plus B square means here how to write here, A square plus B square is write as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus whole square formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here minus 2b both are cancelled, means again a square plus b square it will come. Then a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square means here 3 square is, this is a plus b is 3. That means here 3 square is 3 square minus 3 square minus here 2 into a is equal to what here, tan of pi by 4 plus theta into b is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Then see here 3 square 9 minus 2 into tan pi by 4 plus theta, tan a plus b formula tan a tan b, tan pi by 4 means its v value is 1 minus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into here this is a minus b means 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. See here tan pi by 4 plus theta means here tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Its value is 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta by this is also again 1 minus tan theta. Okay, now see here 1 minus tan theta, numerator denominator cancel, and here 1 plus tan theta cancel. Then 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. This is fourth option, note down. Next third one, if x is equal to tan a minus tan b and y is equal to cot b minus cot a, then 1 by x plus 1 by y. Now see here x is equal to tan a is write as sin a by cos a and minus sin b by cos b. Now take LCM here, cos a cos b, now sin a cos b minus sin b cos a, or cos a sin b. Now see here sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is equal to sin a minus b. Then write here sin a minus b by cos a cos b. This is x. Then you can write here 1 by x means here cos a cos b by sin a minus b. Now you can take second one, cot y is equal to cot b is write as cos b by sin b minus cos a by sin a. Take LCM here, sin a into sin b. Now sin a cos b minus cos a sin b whole by sin a sin b. This is y. You can write here 1 by y is equal to sin a sin b by sin a cos b. This is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b means here sin a minus b, sin a minus b. Now you can write here 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to, here denominator both are equal, sin a minus b, here also sin a minus b. You can add the here numerator, then cos a cos b plus sin a sin b by sin a minus b. Here numerator you can check here, cos a cos b minus plus sin a sin b means cos a minus b by sin a minus b. Then cos by sin is equal to cot a minus b. Your answer is cot a minus b. This is first one, note down. Now fourth question, if a comma b comma c are acute angles and tan a is equal to 1 by 2, tan b is equal to 1 by 5 and tan c is equal to 1 by 8, then a plus b plus c. Here all are as given a b c. Then we have to find here tan a plus b plus c. Tan a plus b plus c is equal to formula summation of tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus product of tan a. Product of tan a means tan a into tan b into tan c whole by 1 minus product of tan a b tan a tan b. Here tan a tan b minus tan b into tan c minus tan c into tan a. Now see here, already we know that tan a plus a value is equal to 1 by 2 and tan b is equal to 1 by 5. plus tan c is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 8 whole by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 into 1 by 2. Now simplify this one. Here this one you can take LCM is here 8 5s are 40, then 2 how many times here 20 times 5 8 times 40 8 5s are 40 minus here also 2 5s are 10 into 8 80, this is 80, then 1 whole by here 1 minus this is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 40 minus 1 by 16. Now you can write here 20 plus 8 28 plus 5 33 by 40 minus 1 by 80 by okay. Now this is 1 minus you can take here LCM is here this is 80. LCM is 80. 10 how many times 5 times and 40 how many times 2 times and 16 5 times 5 times, then this is also you can write here 80. Now you can take here also LCM means here 33 into 2 66 minus 1 by here denominator 80 this denominator 80 numerator 80 both are cancel. Now 80 minus okay, now this is 10 8 here this is 8 times this is 8 times 42 times 80 and this is 16 5 times and 10 15 80 minus 15. Now 65 by this is 5 and this is 60 cancel, its value is 1. Now tan a plus b plus c is equal to 1 is equal to how many degrees here tan pi by 4, then a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 4 is equal to 45 degrees, third option, note down. Okay, next problem here sin theta by sin square pi by 8 plus theta by 2 minus sin square pi by 8 minus theta by 2. Now see here this is a means here a square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Now you can write this one also same sin pi by 8 plus theta by 2 plus sin pi by 8 minus theta by 2 into a plus b into a minus b. Sin pi by 8 plus theta by 2 minus sin pi by 8 minus theta by 2. A plus b into a minus b. Now you can write here sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equal to this is 2 sin a cos b. Now sin a plus b minus sin a minus b formula is equal to 2 cos a sin b. Now this is in the form of this like, then you can write here 2 sin a. 2 sin a is equal to pi by 8 and cos b cos of theta by 2. Then 2 times of this one also write here cos a is equal to pi by 8 and sin theta by 2. Now see here you can rewrite as sin pi by 8 and here cos pi by 8 you can write here and 2 times of sin theta by 2 and this one also you can write here cos theta by 2. Now this is 2 sin a cos a means sin 2a. Actually next class we have to discuss multiple angles. Okay, listen here 2 sin a cos a means sin 2a, sin 2 times of pi by 8 and this is also sin 2a 2 into theta by 2. Now this is 2 ones are 2 4s are this is 2 to cancel. Now its value is here pi by 4 sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2 and this is sin theta. Now this value you have to substitute here. Now sin theta by here 1 by root 2 into sin theta. This sin theta cancel, this is going to numerator, then its value is root 2. This is third option, note down. Okay, next problem is this one. 2 times of cos square 73 degrees plus 2 cos square 47 degrees minus cos 154 degrees. See here, cos 2a formula, cos 2a is equal to, in terms of cos, 2 cos square a minus 1. I want only cos square a, means here cos square a is equal to this one and this side 1 plus cos 2a by 2, cos 2a by 2. Now you can write here and here 2 times of 1 plus cos 2a by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2a, means here 2 times of a is equal to 73 degrees plus 1 plus cos 2 into 47 degrees upon 2 minus cos, here this is 154 is right as 180 minus 154 means here 26 180 minus 26 you can write here 26. Okay, now see here denominator you have to take here 2 common and this 2 also cancel. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus cos 2 3s are 6 2 7s are 14 plus cos, here this is 47 into 2 94 minus cos, here cos of 180 minus 26 is equal to second quadrant. Here second quadrant is minus into minus plus cos 26 degrees 26. Now here 2 plus, this is right as 180 minus cos 180 minus this is 34 degrees 34 means here correct. Next this is cos of 90 plus 4 you can write here, then cos 26. Now 2 plus, here cos of 180 minus 34 is equal to minus cos 34 degrees, and this is cos of 90 plus theta means here minus sin 4 degrees plus cos 26. Now this is right here, and 2 minus cos of 26 degrees minus cos 34 degrees minus sin 4 degrees. Cos C minus cos D, actually in next class we have to discuss, but here problem came, that's why I will explain here. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 26 plus 34 by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 sin 26 minus 34 by 2 minus sin 4 degrees. Now here 2 times of minus 2 sin, here this is 60 degrees by 2 means 30 degrees sin 30 degrees 2 sin 30 degrees, and this is minus 8 sin of minus 8 by 2 means minus sin of minus 4 degrees sin of minus 4 degrees minus sin 4 degrees. Now see here 2 minus, here minus into minus plus 2 sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 into sin 4 degrees minus sin 4. This is 2 to cancel, sin 4 cancel, answer is 2. This is second one, note down. Next problem, if tan 40 degrees plus 2 tan 10 degrees is equal to cot x, then x is equal to, see here, this tan 40 is right as sin 40 by, or one step you can write here, tan 40 degrees plus, this is 2 tan 10 degrees is right as tan 10 plus tan 10 is equal to cot x, is equal to cot x. Now you can write here tan 40 degrees is right as tan is equal to sin by cos, sin 40 degrees by cos 40 degrees plus here sin 10 degrees by cos 10 degrees plus here also sin 10 degrees by cos 10 degrees is equal to cos x by sin x. Now you can take these two, take LCM, cos 40 degrees into cos 10 degrees, cross multiply here, sin 40 into cos 10 degrees plus cos 40 degrees into sin 10 degrees. Now this is as is, you can write here, sin 10 degrees by cos 10 degrees is equal to cos x by sin x. Now see here, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is equal to sin 40 plus 10 is equal to 50 degrees. But this is cos is right as, cos 40 is right as 90 minus 50. 90 minus 50 is equal to 40. then cos of 10 degrees plus sin 10 degrees by cos 10 degrees is equal to cos x by sin x. Now this is right as cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin 50 degrees, here sin 50 degrees cancel. Then here cos 10, you can take LCM. Then 1 plus sin 10 degrees by cos 10 degrees. Once again see here this is numerator is sin 50 degrees. Here denominator is cos 90 minus 50, cos 40. Then this is right as sin 90, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin omni degrees here 50. Here numerator and denominator both are cancel. Remaining 1 by cos 10 degrees is there. Here also denominator 1 by cos means you can write here 1 plus sin 10 by cos 10 is equal to cos x by sin x. Now cross multiply. 1 into sin x plus sin 10 degrees into sin x is equal to sin 10 into cos x. Now sin x is equal to, this is and that side, sin 10 degrees into cos x minus, just a minute, sin x, sin 10, sin x, here cos 10, cos x, cos 10, this is cos 10, cos x. Then here also cos 10 degrees into cos x, this is and that side, minus sin 10 degrees into sin x. Now see here, this is cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b is equal to cos a plus b, cos x plus 10 degrees or 10 plus x is equal to sin x. Now I will write this one is cos of 90 minus x is equal to cos 90 minus theta means here sin theta, then cos of x plus 10, then both sides this is equal. Cos equal means this is also angle also equal. 90 minus x is equal to x plus 10, then this x is and this side and 10 this side. Okay, now x plus x is equal to 2x is equal to 90 minus 10 is equal to 80, then x is equal to 40 degrees. This is third option, note down. Next problem, if a plus b plus c is equal to 360 degrees, then cot a by 4 plus cot b by 4 plus cot c by 4. See here, a plus b plus c is equal to how many degrees? 360 degrees. Here any one you have to send that side. A plus b is equal to 360 minus c. Now you can divide either side by 4. Here a plus b by 4 is equal to 4 9s are 36 by c by 4. Now you can apply cot on either side. Cot of a by 4 plus b by 4 is equal to cot of 90 minus c by 4. Now cot a plus b is equal to cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. See here, cot b by 4 into cot a by 4 minus 1 by cot b by 4 plus cot a by 4 is equal to cot of 90 minus c by 4 is equal to tan. Tan is right as 1 by cot c by 4. Now cross multiply. Here cot b by 4 into cot a by 4 into cot c by 4, cot c by 4 minus cot c by 4 is equal to 1 into cot b by 4 plus cot a by 4, cot b by 4 plus cot a by 4. Now this cot c by 4 send that side. Then cot a by 4, cot b by 4 into cot c by 4 is equal to cot a by 4 plus cot b by 4 plus cot c by 4. Now this value is equal to cot a by 4, cot b by 4 into cot c by 4. Note down. Next problem, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, then summation of cos b plus c by cos b cos c. See here, summation of cos b plus c by cos b into cos c. See here, summation of this is cos b plus c formula you can write here, cos b cos c minus sin b sin c by here cos b cos c, then write separately here summation of cos b cos c by cos b cos c minus sin b sin c by cos b into cos c. Now this is cancel. Here summation of 1 minus this is tan b and tan c. Okay, now what we will do here, summation of means you can write here 1 minus tan b into tan c plus 1 minus tan c tan a minus of minus plus 1 minus tan a tan b. Now see here 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 minus of here pi tan a tan b. 3 minus, already you know that this value is equal to 1 is equal to 2. Then how you know means this one is, you can write here tan a plus b plus c is equal to tan a plus b plus, you can apply this one. Then you will get here this is 1. If you don't know means you can see here a plus b is equal to pi by 2 minus c. Then tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to, here tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot is 1 by tan c, cross multiply tan a into tan c plus tan b into tan c is equal to 1 minus tan a tan b. This tan a tan b send that side, tan a tan b plus tan b into tan c plus tan c into tan a is equal to 1. This value you have to substitute here, that is equal to 1. Its value is 2 means answer is 2. Note down. Okay, next problem, if alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2 and cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma are in AP, then product of cot alpha into cot gamma is equal to, see here, cot alpha, cot beta and cot gamma are in AP. AP means here T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Then 2TT is equal to T1 plus T3. Now here this is the second term is equal to 2 times of cot beta is equal to cot alpha plus cot gamma. Now take the given condition, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2. Now in terms of the product is cos cot alpha and gamma as given. Then beta send that side. Alpha plus gamma is equal to pi by 2 minus beta. Now apply cot either side. Here cot of alpha plus gamma is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus beta. Now here cot alpha, cot gamma minus 1 by cot alpha plus cot gamma is equal to, this is cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan. Tan is write as 1 minus 1 by cot beta. Now see here cot alpha plus cot gamma is equal to, cot alpha plus cot gamma is equal to, you can write here 2 cot beta here. Then cot alpha into cot gamma is by, here this is denominator, you can write here 2 cot beta is equal to 1 by cot beta. This cot beta cancel. Then cot alpha into cot gamma is equal to 2 into 1, 2. Its value is 2. Note down. Okay, next problem. Sin alpha plus beta by sin alpha minus beta is equal to a plus b by a minus b. Then find the value of tan alpha by tan beta. Here sin alpha plus beta by sin alpha minus beta is equal to a plus b by a minus b as given. You can use component and dividend rule. Component and dividend rule means here sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta by sin alpha plus beta minus sin alpha minus beta is equal to here a plus b by a plus b plus a minus b by a plus b minus a minus b. Here using component and dividend rule. Component and dividend rule. Here minus b plus b cancel. Then here also minus a plus a cancel. Now sin a plus b into sin a plus sin a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin alpha cos beta by here 2 cos alpha and sin beta is equal to this is a plus a 2a by minus of minus plus 2b, here 2 to cancel. Now here also 2 to cancel. Sin by cos is equal to tan alpha. Here cos by sin is equal to cot alpha. Cot alpha you can write here 1 by tan alpha, tan beta, sorry, cot beta is write as tan beta is equal to a by b. This is first option, note down. Next problem, if cos y is equal to and cos x minus y is equal to root 3 by 2, then tan y is equal to, see here, cos x is equal to cross multiply 2 cos y, and second one is cos x minus y is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos how many degrees is equal to root 3 by 2? Cos 30 degrees. Then cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Then x minus y is equal to 30. Then x is equal to y plus 30. This x value you have to substitute here. Then cos of y plus 30 is equal to 2 cos y. Cos a plus b formula you can apply here. Cos y into cos 30 minus sin y into sin 30 is equal to 2 cos y. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 into cos y, and sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 into sin y is equal to 2 cos y. Take here 2 common and cross multiply. Here root 3 cos y minus sin y is equal to 2 into 2 4 cos y. Okay, now this cos y and this side. Here cos y is common. Root 3 minus this is 4 is equal to here sin y and that side plus sin y. Now here cos y by the ratio of cos y, here not cos, this is and that side, sin y by cos y is equal to root 3 minus 4. Root 3 minus 4, this is third option. This is tan y, sin by cos. Note down. Okay, thank you children watching my video. Next class we have to discuss, this is component angle completed, multiple angle and submultiple angles. Thank you.